How to loop a video in live photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then in here, open up a picture from your library. Here to loop a video that has been recorded with your live photo, you tap on the drop down here, and normally it is set to live, so you want to select loop, and that's it. Once it is set to loop, your preview will automatically play a video clip that has been added in your live photos, and it will be keep looping over and over again. And that's it. To turn it off, just simply select live off or select live. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.